We use an HIN if we know that the person has been hospitalized, and hopefully then we are able to immediately call and connect with the care providers there, and we can start working on the discharge plan and start working on what's going to be most helpful to the person when they get out. And you know, it takes a lot of coordination and cooperation, because sometimes if it's a health status change, they may need more help in home, and we can't always arrange that, but we can talk with the social workers at the hospital who can arrange it, and sort of advocate for it if we know what the home situation is. They don't, hospitals, they don't always know what it's like out there. They don't know that the person is living in a really tough situation. The housing isn't the greatest, and they don't have all the amenities, and they are going to need help. So that's a good way to find that out. Also, when people get discharged, like if they're getting discharged from the emergency room, we can make sure that they understand what their discharge instructions are. We can make sure that they have a follow-up PCP appointment if that's what's necessary. We can make sure they're following up with their therapist if that's what's necessary, or their med manager if that's what it calls for. But the big thing is making sure they understand their discharge instructions. That they had a change of medication, or they need to stop doing this and start doing that, whatever it might be. It makes a big difference to be able to know immediately what's going on, and it helps.